This kit presents itself as a comprehensive solution for a variety of electrical wiring needs, offering a structured approach to creating secure and insulated connections. Designed for both professional and home use, it brings together essential components for reliable electrical work. At its core, the kit provides crimp terminals in practical sizes of 2.8mm, 4.8mm, and 6.3mm, ensuring adaptability across different applications. The inclusion of both male and female connectors facilitates complete wiring circuits, allowing for either permanent or detachable connections. A significant feature is the insulation provided for these electrical wire spade connectors, which is crucial for safety and preventing short circuits in completed projects. Such a versatile collection finds its utility in numerous scenarios. It is particularly well-suited for automotive electrical repairs, marine applications, or general household wiring projects where secure and insulated connections are paramount. From custom circuit building to repairing existing electrical systems, the kit offers the necessary components for efficient and dependable work. Regarding its design and usability, the variety of terminal sizes is a distinct advantage, accommodating different wire gauges and connection points. The crimp terminal design inherently suggests a strong mechanical and electrical bond once properly applied. Furthermore, the inclusion of insulated sleeves within the kit not only reinforces safety, but also helps in organizing and protecting the connections from environmental factors. In summary, this kit delivers a focused and practical set of components for anyone engaged in electrical wiring. Its combination of varied sizes, male and female connectors, and comprehensive insulation makes it a valuable asset for ensuring safe, reliable, and professional-grade electrical connections across a broad spectrum of projects.